So good morning students. As we had started chapter number 3, factors and multiples. Today we are going to start that relationship between HCF and LCM. So here is point number 1. The HCF of a group of numbers is always a factor of their LCM. Means आपके पास कोई नंबर दिया, उसका अगर आप HCF फाइंड करते हो एंड देन उसी नंबर के सारे आप LCM फाइंड करते हो, तो जो HCF आया है वो उस LCM का एक फैक्टर होगा. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, फाइंड द LCM एंड HCF 12, 16, 36 and 40. So here is the HCF part and here is LCM part. Here for 12, 2 6 are 12. Now 2 3s are 6 and 3 1s are 3. ये simply इसके factors. Now here 60, so by 2, 2 8s are 16. Again take 2, 2 4s are 8. Again take 2, 2 2s are 4, and then next 2 2s are 2 1s are 2. Clear? Now 36. When we divide 36 by 2, we will get 18 here. So here 18. Now again take 2 because its unit place is 8. As you know how we find the LCM and HCF. So 2 9s are 18, 3 3s are 9 and 3 1s are 3. Simply here. Now 40. 2 2s are 4, this 0 as it is. Again take 2, 2 10s are 20. Again take 2, 2 5s are 10 and 5 5s are 1. ये सारे तो हो गए इसके HCF. Now the factors. अब अपन फाइंड करते हैं इसका HCF. तो HCF of 12, 16, 36 and 40 is equals to common numbers 2, 2, 2 and 2. So I write here 2. Again 2, 2, 2 and 2. Again circle. अब आप इसको चेक करोगे, यहाँ पर 3 आ गया, यहाँ 3 है ही नहीं, यहाँ पर 3 है, यहाँ 3 है ही नहीं. दैट मीन्स इसके फैक्टर्स हो जाएंगे. इसका HCF होगा 2 multiply 2 which is equals to 4. Now here the LCM part. Again 2 6 are 12, 2 8s are 16, 18 times and this 20 times. Now again take 2, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, 2 9s are 18 and 2 10s are 20. Again take 2, 3 as it is because it is not divisible by 2. 2 2s are 4, 9 again as it is, you know the value, and 2 5s are 10. Again take 2, this 3 again as it is, 2 1s are 2, 9 as it is and this 5 as it is. Now take 3 here, 3 1s are 3, 1 as it is, 3 3s are 9 and 5 as it is. Again take 3, 1 as it is, 1 as it is, 3 1s are 3 and 5 as it is. Now take 5, 1 as it is, 1 as it is, 1 as it is and 5 1s are 5. So your LCM is equals to 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 3 multiply 3 and multiply 5. Means multiplication of these number which is equals to 720. Now the point is the HCF of a group of numbers is always a factor of their LCM. Means अब जो यहाँ पर HCF आया है उसको आप 720 से डिवाइड करके देखो क्या वो उसका फैक्टर है या नहीं. तो यहाँ पर मैंने इसको डिवाइड किया 720 डिवाइडेड बाय 4 which will gives on 180 times. Means ये properly divide हो रहा है यहाँ पे. So clearly I can write here 4 is a factor of 720. Now here is point number 2. If A and B are two given numbers such that A is a factor of B, then their HCF is equals to A and their LCM is equals to B. For example, find the HCF and LCM of 48 and 60. So first of all, this side is HCF and this side is LCM. The first of all, for HCF of 48, its unit place is 8, so we have to take 2 here. Now 2 2s are 4 and 2 4s are 8. Now again take 2, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. Again take 2 because this 12 is again divisible by 2. So 2 6 are 12 here. Now 2 3s are 6 and 3 1s are 3. Simple. Now for 60, 2 3s are 6 and this 0 here. And when we divide this 30 by 2, we will get 15. Now 3 5s are 15 and 5 1s are 5. So HCF is equals to this 2 and this 2 common, so place here 2. Again this 2 and this 2 common, again place here 2. Multiply this 3 and this 3 common here is 3. Now 2 2s are 4 and 4 3s are 12. So its HCF is equals to 12. Now this side is for LCM. Find the LCM 48 and 60. 2 2s are 4 and 2 4s are 8, comma the 64 30. Again take 2, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4 and here 15 times. Now again take 2, 2 6 are 12. This 15 as it is because this 15 is not divisible by 2. Now again take 2, 2 3s are 6 and this 15 again as it is. Now take 3, 3 1s are 3 and 3 5s are 15. Now here is 5 1 as it is and 5 1s are 5. So for LCM is equals to multiply of all these numbers, which is equals to 240. Now the product of the given numbers is equals to, means जो given number था उनका निकालेंगे product, which is equals to 2880. Means when we multiply 48 and 60 we will get 2880, and the product of their LCM and HCF. So here is its HCF and here is its LCM. 12 multiply 240, and when we multiply these two numbers we will get 2880. Now we see that these two numbers are equal, so we can say that the product of two numbers is equals to their HCF multiply their LCM. Means जो नंबर आपको गिवन है अगर आप उन दोनों का प्रोडक्ट करते हो तो वो किसके इक्वल आ जाएगा, उस नंबर के HCF और LCM के. दिस इज द रिलेशन बिटवीन HCF एंड LCM.